Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alia Malik. I am an academic facilitator at Lakas Upper Mile campus. I wanted to discuss some important things with you. All students must have this homework diary with them. Parents should fill the full name of a child, grade, section and subject. There is an important page inside of the diary and that is particulars. Parents should fill up all these columns over here for the teacher as well as for the administration. When the children will come to school, the teachers will paste their timetable over here. The most important thing is in the timetable it's mentioned about games. On that day the students will wear their track suit. When the students will come to school, please kindly tag their bags, their water bottles, their lunch box and send their extra clothing with them with the proper tagging with them. If you have any kind of correspondence or something, feel free to call us. Thank you very much and stay safe.
Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to the orientation session today. I am Harriet Ann, the FOM of Lakas Milestone Upper Mall campus. Today I'll be sharing 4 important things with you, including the sports house color, student ID cards, leave submission policy and consent for the medication of child at school. So starting from the sports house color, students are required to wear their sports uniform as per the allotted house colors. So what are these sports house colors? Some of the students must be knowing about them, but for the new ones, let me explain that we have 3 house colors: Jinnah, Iqbal and Sir Syed. Jinnah is green, Iqbal is blue and Sir Syed is yellow. So these 3 houses are basically 3 teams and students are supposed to wear their sports uniform as per the house allotted to them on the day of their games period. Student ID cards are also provided to parents in order to ensure that the authorized persons or guardians are picking and dropping the child from and to the campus. And we are expecting the schools to reopen soon, so I would request all of you to keep your passport size photographs ready as we might be demanding them soon. So I would recommend that please keep your passport size pictures ready for the student ID cards. The third most important point is leave submission. It is ideal to inform us before going on a planned leave, but in case of emergency, parents have 2 weeks time period to submit the leave application after the child rejoins the school. Last but not the least, I would request all the parents to keep their cell phones switched on. Why? Because if there's any emergency or the child's not feeling well, so the procedure what we follow is that the teacher informs the FOM and FOM calls the parent in order to get consent before providing any basic medication to the child, and unless and until we do not have the consent, we are unable to provide any basic support or medication. So that is why I would request you to keep your cell phone switched on and keep yourself available. And finally, I would say that please keep all these points in mind, and you can always contact us through WhatsApp or the numbers and mediums provided to you. Thank you very much. Take care.
I'm Simon Iyer, an activity coordinator at Lakas Milestone Upper Mall campus. I welcome you all in this new academic year. Let me tell you about the activities that we held in our campus. Whenever we have an event, once a month, it will be a theme-based activity. So it is very important for you as a parent to attend your child's activities, because whenever the child is on the stage, the child really wants to see their parents sitting in the audience, encouraging and appreciating them. So it is very important for you people to attend. It is very difficult for us to pacify the child whose parents are not there and everybody's parents are there. So if you both are not able to attend, one of you can attend and appreciate and to view what the child has done. Thank you so much. Now let's take a virtual tour.
We are Lakasian. We are Lakasian. We are Lakasian. We are Lakasian. मैदान में जो हम आएंगे, आगे ही बढ़ते जाएंगे। मैदान में जो हम आएंगे, आगे ही बढ़ते जाएंगे। नामुमकिन नहीं कुछ भी अगर ये करके दिखाएंगे।
राहें गर मुश्किल सही, पीछे तो हटना नहीं।
राहें गर मुश्किल सही,